Welcome back to another episode of Bushcraft Skills. Today we're going to be talking about a new, to me, flint and steel technique called dragging. I picked this up from the Odin's Wolf Survival channel, and I think it has merit. We're going to try it out today. So I got my piece of chert, I got my steel, and the idea of this is that you put your steel against your rock, your flint, and you drag it. Look at that. So you're not striking. Now every time you strike, you start to dull the edge a little bit, and then you have to go and use that technique I did in another video where you're sharpening up your stone. Your stone gets smaller and smaller and smaller. This kind of preserves that edge a little bit longer. The sparks tend to go where you want them, like if I'm holding tinder right here. So we're going to give it a try. I got some char cloth here, which we're going to get ready. Just got to get that all. Look at that. Ain't that beautiful? We're going to put it here. And look at that. Nursing that ember. And that was the second try. So totally useful. That would go in your tinder bundle. You'd make your fire. But I mean, just look at those sparks. Now eventually that's going to wear down just like any other rock, but you're going to get some more strikes out of that. So I think this drag technique definitely has its uses. One of the things he said in his video, which makes a lot of sense, when you're cold and your manual dexterity is starting to be affected, getting that angle and that strike right while you're doing flint and steel can be difficult. This method, it's contact to contact, and you're grinding. Ow. You're grinding the steel right on the rock, but don't hit yourself. I caught the edge of my thumb there. I mean, that totally works. So that'll conclude this episode of Bushcraft Skills. I hope you learned something, and I hope to see you later on out in the woods, maybe making a fire, having a good time. Thank you for watching.